Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices held steady on Friday, but were notched a weekly loss after hot inflation data trimmed rate cut bets, while the market focus shifted to talks between US President Donald Trump and his Russian counterpart, Vladimir Putin. US retail sales increased solidly in July, supported by strong demand for motor vehicles, as well as promotions by Amazon.com and Walmart, though a softening labour market and higher goods prices could curb consumer spending growth in the third quarter. Oil markets are set for a muted price reaction after US President Donald Trump's and Russian leader Vladimir Putin's meeting in Alaska, at which Trump said a fully fledged peace deal was the aim for Ukraine rather than a ceasefire. The dollar-yen pair edged lower in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. Crude oil prices plummeted in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.